my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be creating this look which is right over here. I have mentioned all the products that I have used in the description box. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do the same. If you find this tutorial useful, then please like and share. So let's start with the tutorial. Starting with the brows, I'll be using the Revolution Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown. Just filling the empty areas of my brows and going with the hair strokes. For giving it a much cleaner look, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Yellow, just outlining my brows. And then blending it with a wet beauty blender. Starting my eye makeup, I'll be using my favorite Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm taking the sandalwood shade and applying it on the outer V of my eyelid in the wind wiper motion. For intensifying it, I am using the cocoa shade from the same palette. For glitter, I am using the LA Girl Liquid Glitter in the shade Megababe. For giving it a pop, I'll be using it till the midsection of the crease area. Now applying it in the inner corners of the eyes. Now I am taking a mix of sandalwood and henna shade from the same palette and applying it on the lower lash line. Curling my lashes with an eyelash curler. I'm using the MAC False Lash Extreme Black Mascara. Now for tightlining the upper lash line, I am using the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal liner in the shade Extreme Black. For tightlining my lower lash line, I will be using a beige shade Nude Kajal. For priming my face, I am using NYX Honey Me Dew primer. Now applying the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond under my eye area. Blending it with a wet beauty blender. For the base, I am using the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I am in the shade NC45. Applying it in the dotted form all over my face and neck. And now blending it with the foundation brush. Do not rub it, gently dab under the eye area. For avoiding any creases because of the foundation, I'll be using the Revolution Loose Powder in the shade Banana under my eye area and dabbing it with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to highlight my high points of the face with a yellow concealer, which is a light shade concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer. And then blending it with a wet beauty blender. For contouring my face, I'm using the Smashbox R Ablaze Face Palette. Contouring my cheeks, the chin area, the forehead and the nose. Using the same palette, I'm applying the blush in the peach shade. For powder highlighting, I am using the Forever 52 Twinkle Stars Highlighter Duo. Highlighting my cheekbones, nose and cupid's bow. The look is incomplete without a thin eyeliner. I am using the Kiko liquid eyeliner in the shade black. For hydrating my lips, I am using the Born Lippy Pot Lip Balm from the Body Shop, completing the look with the MAC Ruby Woo Lip Shade. So here is the final look for this tutorial. I hope you liked this look. Do share your feedback in the comment section. Please hit like and press the bell icon if you really liked this video.